Sky here with Goodwin-Cole, taking a walk through a truly beautiful backyard out in Carmichael off of Fair Oaks Boulevard. One-day installation, 4-man crew, big project, getting it done. This is a retractable patio covering. We have so many shade options at Goodwin-Cole. It's absolutely amazing. You can custom build and design things to the specifics of your house, the color, the feel, the look, the angles, and you can see this is going to blend in absolutely perfectly into what is already $1 million home. It's going to provide a lot of shade, and again, it's soaking up the sun on your terms, as this is fully retractable, as they begin to do so right now. A lot of testing to make sure everything works perfectly. That's why we are the best in the business. Goodwin-Cole, goodwincole.com, 916-381-8888.